Hello and welcome to Unique Jankari. In this video, we will talk about the assignment 1 of data analytics with Python. Uh, let's start the video. So all please subscribe our channel and press on all notifications so that our videos will be uploaded and it will reach to you shortly. So without wasting your time, let's start. One thing I want to say that to know any assignments answer of NPTEL, just visit our site. Just go to Google and type unique jankari.in. Uh, uniquejankari.in. You can see here unique jankari.in and press enter. The site will be open. So it is some taking time. So there is my site. You can visit here the section of NPTEL answers. You can see here NPTEL data science and introduction to artificial intelligence, ethical hacking, air pollution. There are many courses we are covering here, so you can also visit for assignment answers. So let's start. Your subject name is data analytics with Python. Assignment 1 answer is uploaded here. You can view by clicking here. You can look it here. NPTEL data analytics with Python assignment 1 answer. All the questions of answer is given state true or false. Statement 1, data can be generated by machines but not by humans. All answers are provided here. I will give you link also and you can visit by the way I have provided to you. So let's start the video. So the first question is state true or false. State data can be generated by machines but not by humans. So the answer of first questions will be false. The next question is which one of the following is not a classification of data analytics. So the answer of question number 2 is option number B, deceptive and deceptive analytics. So mark your assignment. Next question is state true or false. Statement nominal scale is the lowest level of measurement and ratio scale is the highest level of measurement. So the answer of question number 3 is true. You can tick it on option number A, true. The next question is consider the following statement. Statement A with I lock we can pass in the negative value. Statement B with IOC we can pass in the negative value. So the answer of question number 4 will be A is correct, B is false. Option number C. So the answer of question number 4 is option number C. A is correct, B is false. So the next question is question number 5. For getting fourth, fifth, and seventh row of a data file df in Python programming we can write. So the answer of question number 5 will be the option number D, none of these. You can answer you can mark your assignment. The answer of question number 5 will be option number D, none of these. The next question is which of the following is not a measure of dispersion. The answer of question number 6 is percentile. Option number D. You can mark your assignment, your answer. The answer of question number 6 is option number D. Next question is state the following true or false statement. Bimodal data sets contain two modes. So the answer of question number 7 is true. It is a true statement, so you can mark it true. Next question is bar charts are used for. Answer of question number 8 is categorical data. Categorical data, sorry, option number B. Next question is median is not applicable to ordinal data, nominal data, none of these, interval data. So the answer of question number 9 is nominal data, option number C. You can mark it here. The rest last question, the answer of question number 10 is provided on my site. You can visit by the way I have provided I have provided the link, or I have show how to reach to my site. You can go and check. The answer will be given on my site. Thank you, thank you, thank you everyone.